Today I will tell you about propagation of adenium from seeds. Fill the seed germination tray with potting mix or cocoa peat. Spray water on the tray to moisten the surface. Spread medicated mixed color seeds on its surface. Cover the seeds with a thin layer of cocoa peat. Spray water in the tray. Cover the tray with plastic sheet. Put it at bright place, but not in direct sunlight. After 20 days, seeds will germinate. Now remove the plastic sheet. Shift the little babies in proper flower pots. After 2 months you will have beautiful flowers of adenium. Be patient, time may vary.